Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I go live up to 10 hours a day. Every trading day, I am here with you, and my aim is to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. This is my real trades, my real money, and I go live every single day up to 10 hours. I followed your journey, you followed mine, and it's as real as it gets. We're very excited today because it is the Apple earnings after hours. Will be there. Are you ready to rumble, as they say? We're over here on Rumble as well, so let's get ready to rock and roll. This is my actual money. If I share with you my Roth IRA as well, that's up today. I held my positions. My all-time high is 54.4, so we are some $1,300 away from that, but not to worry. Okay. We are fine. So let's get straight into it. I'll give you now all the links that you need. Here are the links. So you can go below the video and get all the links to my social media, take part in my Twitter polls, hear what I'm trading before I actually make it, and Discord and Rumble and YouTube and all the things I get involved with. So there you go. Fantastic. Welcome to everybody over on TikTok. We've got our, and Twitter and LinkedIn and Rumble. We've got our Amazon, start that again. Apple earnings coming up after hours tonight. Fantastic. So, who was the first person in the chat? The first person in the chat during the live show was Toprak from Turkey, one of our new members. Welcome to you. Fantastic. Okay, let's get straight into our live positions and let's see where we are this afternoon. So, we're ready for the earnings. We're all excited about that, of course. I want to welcome all my guests who are watching me now over there on Rumble as well. We've only been there a couple of days, and that's going very well indeed. Okay, here we go. Let's get into it. This is my overall position. And now we look at the S&P. I didn't quite get it low enough. I was going to buy one today at 370. It didn't go there. That's okay. Duke Tran just subscribed to me. Good afternoon. Welcome to you. Thank you so much indeed for your subscription. Appreciate it. Pacific Bank has come up a little bit, but not much. Another bank collapse today. Virgin Galactic, that is up 1% today. Flights are imminent, apparently. I've still not got any evidence of that. Virgin Orbit is algo trading, not quite barcoding, but not far off. It's algo trading all the way out of the stock, out of the position now. Rivian is up 1.83. That's pretty nice. My Roth position, let me have a quick look at that. It's down at the moment 1.05. Not that bad at all. Okay. Tesla, we're trying to sell 2 shares of Tesla. We've got 17 and I want to trim off 2. Bonner, good afternoon. Korea, hang on a minute. That's Bonner. It's just moved your name. Oh, I changed my nickname. How are you? This is Bonner. I changed my nickname. This is our new guest from Korea. Today, we've got Korea and Turkey live in the show. I changed my nickname. Bonner, thank you so much indeed. Lovely to see you here. Any plan to bet on Apple before closing? If yes, which point to get in? Well, let me look at Apple. We'll come, let's look at Apple straight away. Here we go. Okay, Apple. For me, I'm already in. I am up 13.61%, as you can see. Very strong position. 13.6. I'm holding it. I don't need to buy anymore. I'm not buying anymore. If we do get a drop, I wouldn't buy anymore anyway because I'm up comfortably on 13%. It would have to go down 20-30% for me to buy some more, and that's not going to happen. But if it did, I would buy some more if it went all the way down. And I would free up my S&P. But to be honest, if it went down that far, I would buy the S&P. I'd rather do that. I don't want to add any more to my Apple position. It's 8% of my brokerage account. It's not in my Roth right now, so I'm waiting to buy. I've simply got a marker on Apple at the moment. So if it does drop, the S&P will go down as well, and I would rather buy the S&P because if it goes down 20%, so will the S&P, not by 20%, but it will go down probably about 4 or 5, no, maybe not 4 or 5, maybe more like 3.5, and then I would rather buy that. I've got enough on Apple. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, but I'm already in. You may not be in, because remember, Apple doesn't pay a great dividend. And remember, Apple is a big part of the S&P where you can get a much better return on a dividend. If you're already in Apple, like me, you're not really looking to buy any more, then I would prefer the S&P. If you want to be in Apple, and I think every portfolio should have Apple in it, I think it's a very important stock to hold, then you might be wanting to look at it. But it depends on your position. All right, I think that's as clear as I can be on that right now. J&J spin-off. Ken View is doing good on launch day. J&J spin-off. K-View is doing good on launch day. I missed that, of course. J&J is my J&J, just down slightly. It's a spin-off. It's one way of looking at it. J&J, thank you ever so much, Fight Channel, for alerting me to that. In the house, tuna sub. By the way, loving the Barbie doll stuff. Absolutely great, fantastic. Well noted, says Top Rack. Okay. Let's carry on going through our positions. Where did we get to next? Google. Looking at that, Microsoft up today, very nice indeed. Walmart up today. Tesco up today as well. Next Era Energy up 0.17. Enphase Energy up 0.09. Bitcoin is down today 0.95. Tilray is up 6.6%. Oh, hello. Okay, now then, we have a position here. We are literally flat on my Roth IRA. So there is something I can do here. On my main brokerage position, long-term holding, I am down 8%. On my Roth IRA, it is now bounced back. We've had 6.9% today. So that's pretty useful for me right there. That is up virtually flat now. If I wanted to get my money out to have on hand, then I could. I would like to see a profit from that before I do it, but we were, in fact, earlier on today, we would have been there. We would have been there at 262. Yes, I was in profit today at one point. Breaking news, safe banking marijuana bill will be introduced next week, May the 11th. That's why Tilray is up. Mohammed, is this your brother? Is this you? We don't know who this is. You will remember. I don't know I don't know which one this is. You have so many accounts and different. Yesterday it was your brother using your account. I don't know which Mohammed this is. Anyway, it's great to see you, whoever you are, this afternoon. Okay, Robinhood is up today. I'm still down 8% on it. Okay. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. If we go over to my main positions, you can see where we are looking reasonable. We're flat on the day, but the Roth IRA is up 0.54. Very nice indeed. 54.4 is our all-time high. Let's see what happens tonight with Apple. It's all about Apple. I think Apple are going to do okay. I think Apple are going to do okay. We'll be there live. Now, if you want to join us for the earnings for Apple, here is the earnings for Apple. All right. Now then, we've got a big giveaway coming up. Not tomorrow, next Friday, $1,025 giveaway. It's our biggest ever giveaway. If you want to be in our biggest ever giveaway, $1,025 worth of prize, $125 in cash, paid out live on the show, and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Perfect. It's incredible. It's our best ever. If you'd like to be in our giveaway for next Friday, it's free to enter, free for all. Please do join us on YouTube right now or on Rumble. I will give you the link for the giveaway if you want to be in our best ever giveaway. All right, it's free to enter and free for all. Here is the Mohammed says my membership expired. I will become a member right now. Fantastic, and then we can share your information on Tilray. I'd love to do that. Once I know it's you, I can share it. Okay, there is the link to the Apple earnings tonight. I'll also put that on Rumble as well for our guests over there on Rumble. There you go. Can you see it in the chat? All right, fantastic. Okay. Let's come back out of here a moment. And why do you say Tilray is up? Why do you say Tilray is up? Why did you say Tilray is up? Well, this is what Mohammed has just said. He has just said, breaking news, marijuana bill will be introduced next week, May the 11th. That's why Tilray is up. Whoa, look at that. We've got a fantastic another new member. Look at this. Mohammed Kahain has just gone gold. Very, very exciting. Thank you very, very much indeed. Let me just trim back that a tiny bit. There we go. Look at this. Mohammed Kahain has just gone gold again. Mohammed, share the link on Discord, please, about where you've got the information about Tilray, and I will make a video on it. That is really, really big news if you've got that. But first of all, of course, we want to welcome back our new member again. He's got a green badge now. It went from blue to green. It'll turn yellow next, and then gold, red, and purple. All right, great stuff. That's how I can tell he's not a new member. He's got a green badge. A blue badge would be brand new. Okay, so he's been here before. Let's celebrate our brand new member. Here we go in 5, 4. Our returning member. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Yes! Fantastic. Welcome back, Mohammed Kahain. Send me the link in for Tilray. I would like to see it. Okay. Good evening, everyone, says Crag. Why do you say Tilray is up? Bonner, NASDAQ depends upon upcoming earnings conference call. Yes, it does. Hexo is up 8% today. Fight Channel, thank you so much indeed. Brazil medical cannabis. Send me Discord link. I will share it. Fantastic. Here is the Discord link. Remember, if you've already signed it up before, you should be in seconds. Otherwise, it takes 10 minutes to get through. There is the Discord link. Send me the link. I will make the video now during the show. There it is. Welcome back. Very, very exciting stuff. Very, very exciting. All right. Okay, so Tilray, we're watching it. Apple earnings. Here we go. We're waiting for it. We've got it's an out. Well, it'll be out in just after the bell, which is in 45 minutes. Pacific Western Bank, as we can see, collapsed today. Virgin Galactic is up, but don't get too excited just yet. Virgin Orbit trading out of the stock. Rivian is up. Tesla, we're trying to sell it at 189. Lucid, I'm buying it at 6. Apple, I'm already in. If it drops 20%, I will split that between the S&P and Apple. Amazon, I'm already in. I'm up 4%. I don't need to buy any more. McDonald's, I want McDonald's to go down. We are covering all the major earnings next week as well. You won't miss them. Look at this. Look how many earnings I've got next week. Starting with Lucid. Lucid we've got on the earnings. Let me go back here. You will see. There we go. There's Lucid. We've got Lucid coming up on May the 8th. May the 8th, that's our first one. And then we go through and we've got Virgin Galactic on May the 9th. May the 10th, Robinhood, IonQ. May the 11th, Rumble earnings I'm doing. May the 15th, Arrival special requests from my members for May the 16th. Walmart, May the 18th. That's in addition to all our opening and closing bell shows. No one goes live more than me. I have 1,000,000% commitment to my audience, to my viewers and my members here. It's why I'm live every single day up to 10 hours a day. Okay. Welcome everybody. Okay. The S&P going sideways at the moment. Let me have a quick look at a couple of things here. Let me just check a couple of things. We've just put out a few videos, and I hope you got a chance to watch them. Let me have a look. This is what's ranking right now. Mullen has just exploded on my channel. For me, this has exploded. In fact, that's probably my very best ever video. Look at this. This is not a short. A short always does well. Mullen is, everyone's looking at Mullen right now. Look at this. Mullen. This was only posted half an hour, not even half an hour ago. Not even half an hour ago. 256 views in half an hour. That is by far the best video I've ever put out in the first half an hour. 257. A lot of attention on Mullen right now. Let's see if I gain any subscribers. 7316. Oh! Yes! There we go. 4 subscribers in the last few minutes. People like that. People like Mullen. Excellent stuff. But what they don't like right now, and we've got to fix this. You're all too engrossed in what's going on. 25 watching and just 9 likes. Smash the like button. Help me out. Tap the like button. It shares the video out to more people. Please do that. Help me out by smashing the like. 25 watching and 9 likes. We're about to give away $1,025 value prize, $125 in cash. It's our best ever, and 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius. Please do smash the like button. All right, thank you all. Buy Tizro, everyone. Safe banking will pass soon. Mohammed, did you send the link into Discord? I've just given you the link on Discord. Have you sent it in? I'm waiting for the link. I want to share it. I want to make a video on it. I'm ready to go. Here is the link to Discord. Go into there. Let me have a look. Let me go in and see if you've done it already. Sensei Crypto, no, nothing there. Stock news, Crag, that's from Crag. This might be the news. I've got some information here sent in by Crag. Crag, is that the information that I need? I've got a friend request from. In fact, I can't read that out. The name he uses is a little bit risque, so I won't use that. But if you friend requested me on Discord, I only accept friend requests from my members. So just bear that in mind. Crag, what is the link you've sent me? Tell me all about it. Thank you all. Buy Tizro, everyone. Safe banking will pass soon. Key Senate Committee Chairman says marijuana banking bill hearing could be held next week. All right, well, if it does, it goes to $40 a share. That's my belief on it. That's my belief on it. Okay. Okay, the S&P is just going down. I'm waiting to see if that comment comes in. We're up to 13 likes now. Thank you so much indeed. Sorry, Mo, not taking your tips after your Vorb trade of yours. 22. It won't let me send a message because you've just got to sign in. That's all. I think you've done it before. Discord. There it is. I'll give it you again. What you can do, if you want to do it quicker, you can send the link on what's it called? Rumble. You can do it on Rumble. I'm live right now on Rumble. If you go into Rumble, this is Rumble right now. You can share the link in Rumble. Rumble lets you share links. There is the Rumble account. All right? You don't need Discord. Just go into Rumble. This is me on Rumble right now. This is the live chat right here. And just go into the message there. All right? You just got to sign in for Rumble. And you'll be there. Okay? Fantastic. So whichever way you want to do it. But send me the link and I will share it. Absolutely. I will make a video on Tilray this afternoon. Live in the show. Anyway, it won't let me. Was an article put out earlier about cannabis referendum in Brazil. Time to load up on Tizro again, trimmed off back lower again tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, let's go back to Tizro and have a quick look. Welcome our guests from Rumble this afternoon and our guests over on TikTok. All right, we're drinking out of the magic glass this afternoon. If you want to get one of the magic glasses, it's in the chat. This is my Martyn Lucas magic glass. I say it's a magic glass because whenever I drink from it, I make money. It's like magic. All right. All right. No one's buying that. No one's buying that. You're all going, I'm not buying that. All right, okay. Time to load up on Tizro, says Crag. Apple depends on God streaming. Bonner from Korea. This is our friend from Korea. And it's great to have you here. Bonner is our new member today from Korea. We also had a member as well from Turkey. Very, very good day today. Very exciting day. Okay, let's check the overall positions. Let's look right now at a few things for you. Okay, first of all, this is my overall position. This is the Roth IRA. This is my overall combined. Let's look at the global markets to see which direction everything's going. You can see I've got this in time order. Where we are today, the Nasdaq is up 0.21. The New York is down 0.93. The SPY is down as well. The S&P. So okay, that's that. What about the heat map? This is important. This is where we can find the discounts this afternoon. 15 minutes behind, remember. So let's have a look. Amazon is doing well. Microsoft is doing well. Something glowing green right in the center. AMD, INTC. Semiconductors is doing all right unless it's QCOM. The big losers. What's glowing red? What's glowing red? Well, it's quite unusual because in the semiconductor category, we've got QCOM down by 5.6. We've got AMD up 6.93. Quite incredible scenes there. Okay. What about our crypto challenge from Ali Tizro, Sensei Crypto? We only put $1,000 in on this portfolio, and only 500 of it is invested. The other is earning USD at 4%, and we're up 111 bucks. That's great, very good, which is about 20% then, isn't it? Really, really good on our crypto challenge. Thank you so much, Ali Tizro, for that. He was in this morning. Ali Tizro sponsored the opening bell this morning. And if you want to sponsor the bell, you can sponsor the bell. All right. Okay. Time to load up again. Apple depends. Apple needs to beat or think SPY will give up tomorrow. Yes, let's hope so. I am expecting Apple to do okay. Honestly, because of people's sentiment. After lockdown, people started to want to feel good about themselves and buy an iPhone. Because let me tell you, folks, when I was at Apple a couple of days ago buying my new computer, you couldn't get near the desk. It was packed. Everyone was buying stuff. So despite everything going on in the world, people still managed to find the money for an iPhone, or in my case, a Mac Studio. All right. Okay, so there we go. Welcome our guests on Rumble. There we go. Looking very nice today. We're growing nicely now. We're at 39 followers. Let's see if we can get to 40 followers today. That'd be absolutely lovely if we could. Now then, I made a video on Rumble this afternoon. I just posted it some few moments ago. And let me refresh the screen here right now. I just posted it some minutes ago. And it's an update on Rumble. Yesterday you heard me say, is Rumble a scam? I have viewers with no comments. Now I understand what's going on. So I spoke to the CEO of Rumble. Chris spoke to me. Chris Pavlovsky. There you go. Look, Chris Pavlovsky spoke to me via Twitter, and I've just put these videos out just a few minutes ago. Links are now available on Rumble. There you go. And of course, we've got great news about the viewers. The reason why right now I have, as you can see, 11 viewers, but no one's commenting, that's because they're watching through the website, rumble.com. That's why that is. Anyway, so we've got shares in Rumble. We are watching to see what Rumble does over the next few weeks. So that's why we are very interested in Rumble right now. Okay. Oops. Let me just realign that screen. There we go. I just zip my own screen around. I've been holding SPY puts since the end of last week. I can't decide whether to sell them before Apple earnings. Think I'll hold 22. He's going to hold his Apple. I think Apple are going to do okay. I think they're going to do okay. I don't know. We are running a poll, though, on Twitter right now. Let's have a little look. I think it's at the top of the account. Let's have a quick look at Apple. Yes, we're running a poll right now. Wow, we've had 17 votes already. Now is the time to vote. Here we go. 58% are saying up. Now, if you'd like to take part, if you are one of my members, I will reply to everyone, and hopefully it will grow your Twitter accounts. I'm here to help everybody. Here we go. There is the Twitter poll. There is the Twitter poll. Go and vote. So far, 58%. We have 2 comments as well. Let's read the comments. The comments are, I've said good luck to Top Rack. Hopefully that will promote your Twitter account. I don't think Apple is bringing in the money they used to. I said, are you sure about that? Because I'm spending a lot of money in there. I'm only joking. I know it makes a difference what I do. But just want to say that in case someone says, he thinks Apple's going to go up because he bought a new computer. Someone need to tell him. Anyway, let me go back over to the comments here. Mohammed says, it says sign in to Rumble. Do I have to create an account? You don't have to create an account if you just want to watch, but just like every other platform in the world, if you want to comment, if you want to have a say, then yes, you need to create an account. It's free. Just email. As always, it's completely free. If on Discord, you can comment. You just got to verify your email. That's it. It's just there to protect against scammers and bots. So that's the way to do it. Okay. Or if you want to send me a link on my Twitter, you can send a link on Twitter. Okay. Lots of ways you can contact me. Lots of ways. All right. Apple moving up. Let's have a little look. What is the expectation? The expectation is low, remember. I think Apple are going to beat. The expectation is low. So I am, or it's lower, put it that way. On Bloomberg analysis, it said it fell due to worse numbers of smartphone sector. Does this mean anything for possible Apple earnings expectation? The trouble is, Top Rack, what you hear on the news, CNBC, Bloomberg, and so on, most of that information is biased in one way or another. Analysts are biased. The only place you get non-biased news is here, because I am here for you. I am here for the community. I am not here to promote or sell anything, unless you want to buy one of my mugs, then fine. But other than that, no, I am not here for that. But other outlets are there to promote something, whether it's promote the channel. Again, I'm not doing any of that stuff. If you watch, you like what I do, you like what I do. I don't, inflate the news just because it gets more clicks. That's not how I do things. All right. Eric B just wants to say hello to everyone on YouTube from Rumble. Thank you very, very much indeed to you, Eric. 39 followers now. I watched it on Qualcomm analysts. Well, as I say, all analysts have an agenda. Qualcomm fell indeed. I'm holding my position, but again, my position is different than yours. You may have a very different setup, and for that, I can't comment. Even if Apple results are rubbish, they can just say AI 50 times and it'll go up. Yeah, that's right. That's right. 22's not far off there. Okay. Right. Virgin Galactic is up today. Let me check my Roth IRAs moving. Yes, because of that. The S&P, Virgin Orbit, Tesla. Don't forget, if anyone's got a birthday, if you are a member here, it's your birthday. We celebrate your birthday live on the show. Apple is just trying to go up. It's down 1% today. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. These are all my top stocks. Enphase, Bitcoin, Tilray, going back up again. So if I wanted to, I could sell for a wash, and I don't mind taking profits anymore. I don't have a problem with doing that anymore like I used to. All right, okay. Tilray. Let's see how it all pans out. Let's have a quick look to see how the videos are going with Mullen. Everyone's getting very excited with Mullen. Wow, 330 views. Absolutely brilliant. It's only out half an hour ago. There you go. Make a video on a junk stock. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Let's see if we gain any subscribers. 3, 2, 1, another one. There we go. Lovely. And 16 likes now. Let's see how many likes we can get on YouTube compared to Rumble. On YouTube, I'm on 16 likes with 21 watching. And on Rumble, I have 3 likes with 5 watching. Let's see which one comes out on top tonight. Okay. That's interesting. Bit of fun. I am up for Apple, actually. I voted up as well. Shall we have a look on the poll right now? Let's have a look. 18 votes. Let's refresh the screen. Sometimes it's good to refresh it. 18 votes. It hasn't moved. Let's have a quick look. 61% are saying that we are going up. Okay. It's a little bit warm in here. I'm going to take off my jacket. Excuse me. It's a bit hot in the studio this afternoon. All right. A bit warm in here today. Okay. All right. We're back in the house once again. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Quick drink from the magic glass. Mr. Lucas, add more Tilray and do not sell. I want that link. What's going on? You can send it via Twitter, Discord, Rumble. What's going on? Where's my link? Hey, Martin, what's going on, mate? Ayo, he's here from Italy. Wonderful to have you here. What's up? This is sick. There you go. It's great to have you here. I haven't got any more money, Mohammed, and I can't make the video because you've not sent me the blimmin' link. What is going on? What is going on? That's what we want. Looking across all platforms to see the news. What is going on with this? Look at. There was something on Bloomberg a few seconds ago. I was like, oh my gosh, what the heck's going on here? Anyway. I cannot believe I've had 373 views in half an hour on Mullen. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Anyway, half an hour to go before we ring the bell. The bell is being sponsored today by Sensei Crypto, the opening and closing bell. Have you ever wanted to sponsor the opening and closing bell? Well, you can. Very, very exciting stuff. All right. Hello, Alicia, the Queen of Self-Braiding. How you doing? How you doing? Wonderful to have you here. I've got 39 followers now on Rumble. We're watching Rumble. We're comparing Rumble because we're buying shares in Rumble right now. Here's my Rumble account. Have you followed me on Rumble yet? There you go. I've got 39 followers. The Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you? The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Matt Bahar has just subscribed to me as well. Welcome to you. Good afternoon, all. Nice to see you all. Fantastic. Very, very exciting day today. Apple earnings coming up in a few minutes. The S&P is moving up. Pacific Bank is going back down again. Virgin Galactic, 1.6%. There's no reason for that. I've got no flight news at the moment. Barcoding with Virgin Orbit. Rivian is up. Tesla is up. Lucid is flat today. Apple is starting to lift up now. We've got about 25 minutes to go before the bell goes. This is the time you might want to jump on in. For me, I'm already in with Apple. I've got a big position. I'm not looking to buy anymore. It's 8% of my portfolio, $3,000. I earn a decent dividend. I'm up 13.9%. I'm happy with that. Thank you, Craig. It's great to have you here. It is indeed. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Just a few minutes to go, 25 minutes to go before the bell goes, and then we prepare for the earnings. Okay. So then, I would like some of your comments, please. I've just put out a couple of new videos that you might be interested in. They've just gone out. I've got Rumble. Is Rumble rumbled? Go and check that out. And then I spoke to the CEO of Rumble. I spoke to Chris Pavlovsky via Twitter, and I learned more about it. So there it is. And also, we've got these two videos here. Pepe today exploded. If you're into some crypto, there is Pepe. PacWest collapse, and Mullen. This is the one that is going semi-viral. It's not going viral, but for me, it's going viral, right? In 1 hour now, I think it's over 300 views now. It's out of date on there. All right, so that's a bit exciting, right? Okay. Oh, very, very exciting. So let me go back now then. Here we go. Just 20 minutes to go. Hello, Queen. That's from Italy, Ale. Let's have a quick listen, actually, from some of our members from around the world. If you are a member via Discord, you can call in and leave a message, and we can play it on the screen. Here is Alex.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Please kindly share your view for Marriott. Okay, I'll have a look at that in a second then. Here's Rob McLean from Scotland.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
What about Paul B from Manchester?
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
You can call in and have your name on the screen if you want to. Here's Ali Tizro, Sensei.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
You're absolutely right. What about Paddy from Italy?
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friends, French.
I'd like to welcome the new members.
There's the Queen of Self-Braiding as well.
I'm so part of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I'd like to thank you so much.
My pleasure. Here's Kurt Wookert.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic. Oops, a daisy. Where's my little trading screen gone? There we go. That was missing on there then for a second. I need to go and fix that. Let me just check that again. Trading. Oh, no. That should be good. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, we're all good. Little glitch there, but we fixed it. All right, Marriott. So I was asked to look at Marriott by one of our members. Who was this? Top Rack says, please kindly share your view for Marriott. Well, I don't have a view on Marriott, but I will have a little look, of course. It's Marriott International. It doesn't interest me. This is not the sort of thing that I would invest in because it's nothing unusual or proprietary. So that's straight away not my field of the sort of stock that I invest in. But nevertheless, let's have a read. Engages in operation and franchise of hotel, residential and timeshare properties. It operates through the following geography segments. Nearly 400,000 employees. It's a big company, of course. Founded in 1927. 54 billion market cap. Price earnings ratio 20.89. So it's on the expensive side as an earnings price to earnings ratio. It's quite expensive. It does pay a dividend, but a small dividend. We could back test it if you want me to. If you want me to back test it and compare it to the S&P 500, how much money you'd have made in the last 10 or 20 years, I could. You just ask me and I'll do it for you using some software. It takes me about a minute, but I can actually back test it for you live on the show and we can see how well it compared to the S&P. I think it's always worth doing. What is some breaking news on Marriott? Let's have a little look here. Let's zoom in here. Can Marriott, in fact, I'll just change to this screen. There we go. That's a bit easier to see it. Can Marriott run higher on rising earnings estimates? Marriott, let's have a quick look. International. Could be a solid addition to your portfolio given a notable revision in the company's earnings estimates. While the stocks have been gaining lately, their trend might continue since its earnings outlook is still improving. Of course, more people are going to the hotels again after COVID, of course. Let's have a look at analyst buy. Analyst ratings. Analysts rate it. Let me change to my trading screen. It's a bit easier to see. There we go. The analysts give this report. 69% say buy. No one's really saying hold. So the bulls are saying Marriott has a high exposure of recurring managed and franchise fees. And the bears say Marriott's North American hotels represent around 65% of its room base, exposing itself, of course, to that smaller one particular market. Estimated Q1 of 23, they beat earnings quite comfortably, 184,209, and we zoom in and you see. Now, obviously, the business is profitable. We are looking today for profitable companies with money on with cash on the books, and they've had consistent growth. The estimation was down, and they beat it quite comfortably. So there you go. Not bad at all. It's not a bad company. It's doing rather well. Right now. It's not really the time to buy it though, for me personally, because it's at the top of its channel right now. If I was going to buy it, I'd want to buy it down here, somewhere in the region of 150, something like that. But that doesn't mean to say it can't go up from here. It's doing well. It's not one that interests me. Remember, I only buy stocks that interest me, that I'm passionate about, that I care about. There's no point just buying anything just because it can make you money. You've got to understand it, otherwise you will go in with the wrong mentality and you'll be in and out of the stock and you won't know what to do with it. So I hope that helps. Smash the like, says the Queen of Self-Braiding. Blessed, said 22. Yes. Yes. Indeed. Well, I'm talking to the CEO of Rumble. I've got my friend from Korea who calls me God. I've got Kurt Wooker, who's a big deal in crypto. He is blessed to be here. Absolutely, 22. You've no idea what you're watching here. You've no idea. Oh, brilliant. Good evening, Paddy. Good to see you. Hope you're well. Great to have you here. Would be great. Please do it. Okay, I will do it then. Have I got time? Yes, I have. Airbnb has hurt hotels in recent years, but I think it's now changed as people don't have to clean and pay the fees. Attractive stock. I'm good. Thank you, Paddy. All right, let's do it. We're going to do this now for our new member, Top Rack. So this is called back test. It's a back test. So what I do is I go over here. This is the software I use. and we're going to go from 1985 to now because it's been around for a while. So we're going to invest $10,000. And we're going to invest $10,000 and we are going to buy MAR, which is Marriott. This is Marriott Hotel, and 100% of our portfolio is in Marriott. Okay, and then we'll go into VU. This is the S&P 500. Let me zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And portfolio 2, 100% of it. Okay, all right, we'll scroll down, analyze the portfolios. So here you go. If you invested in Marriott Hotel back in the 80s to now, $10,000, you would have $49,000. It beats the S&P 500, and this includes reinvesting the dividend. And it beats the S&P. 13.83 plays 12.33. There you go. Its best year, it did 66%. And its worst year was down 24%. So over the long term, whoops-a-daisy, I'm all over the place. Have I still got that? I think it's gone now. There we go. Over the long term, you would make more money with the Marriott rather than the S&P. So if we look at it now, the final thing we want to do is compare the 5-year to the S&P 5-year. And there it is. You can see a very similar pattern. But overall, it's performed well. It's performed better than the S&P. That doesn't happen very often. So on that basis alone, I like it. Look at that. You can see, obviously, March 2020. We all know when this is. We all know when this is. This is COVID. Every chart shows the same. So what do you think is going to recover the most? The S&P, a collection of the best 500 companies, or Marriott? Over the long period, it's been better. Let's go over the last year. It's up 0.1 over the last year. The S&P over the last year is down 2.96. Remember, the S&P contains a lot of weight in technology with Apple, the FANGs, or more the MANGs now because of Meta from Facebook. So I think that it's 50-50. And that's quite surprising that I'm saying that. That's quite good. That's quite good. And in fact, it's very good. You could go either way if you want a bit of exposure. The question I would like to know is Marriott in the S&P? If someone could do that for me, is Marriott Hotel? Hang on, is Marriott? Because that's the question. Is Marriott International stock in the S&P? Because if it is, you're buying it anyway. S&P 500. Is it Marriott International's? Yes. Yes, it is. Yes. The Marriott is in the S&P 500. So if you're buying the S&P, you're buying Marriott. Of course, if you buy Marriott, you're buying 100% of Marriott. I would imagine in the S&P, it's probably less than a 0.5%. I would imagine. I'm just guessing, but knowing that Apple and other things can be 3.5%, I'm thinking probably it's less than 0.5%. But just gives you an idea. So really, I'm on the fence. Okay, I hope that answers your question. I went in depth with that one. That was especially for our new member today who joined from Turkey, and that was Toprak asked me to do that. Okay, we got 10 minutes to go. Today, Sensei Crypto is sponsoring the closing bell. You too can sponsor the closing bell if you want to. It's very exciting. Right now, Sensei is sponsoring the closing bell coming up in 10 minutes' time. Let's have a look. Hotels are for interesting business model. Not sure I read that out. It's a NASDAQ stock. Up $10,000 so far with Tizro, totaling 65,000 shares go to 40. That's 2.6 million. Oh my God, Mohammed. I appreciate the non-biased Mullen video today. Well done. Should be well received. People were freaking out. Okay, let's have a little look. Always unbiased here. At least I try to do so. Let's have a look. Nitz, I appreciate your comment on that. That's really nice of you. 451. That's my best ever video. No question about it. 451 in about an hour. That has to be my best ever video. I'm so excited. I've never had a video do as well as that. That is absolutely great. I'm bound to have gained a few more subscribers. 323. Another one. It rolled through a few moments ago, so I only checked it a few moments ago. Anyway, it's... oh, there we go. 0.14. I wasn't far off. I was guessing, right? I was guessing 0.14 of the S&P. There you go. So clearly, if you buy the S&P for Marriott, you're better off buying Marriott, okay? But nevertheless, it's 0.14. If it does well, it helps the S&P, no question about it. All right, very nice indeed. Okay, brilliant. Let me go to the homepage of my YouTube channel and see. I should get some fireworks on the video. No, I don't, because it's not the latest video. Flip. If it was the latest video, I would. If it was the latest video, I'd get fireworks. Look at that. Look at that. I've never had a video do that. 452 views, 10 subscribers, 29 watch hours. Oh, yes. This is exciting. What is now? It's a 6-minute video. So it's perfectly long. Let me have a look. What's the engagement on it? 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Oh, this is why it's doing well. I've never had, look at that, nearly 4 minutes. That's 80% of the video over that. That's brilliant. That's my best ever video there. If that carries on like that, we'll be at 1,000 by the end of the day. Oh, yes. How much am I going to earn? If it hits 1,000, $1. $1. That's what I'll earn. It doesn't matter. I'm enjoying myself. But hey, it's exciting, right? You got to keep growing. Okay. Right, very exciting stuff. Mullen's going back up. It's because of my video. Everybody on that video should do me a super thanks. They should do me a super thanks. Oh yes, Martyn Lucas is promoting it. Not promoting anything. I'm just talking about it honestly. Right, thanks Queen. Nice. Thank you, Nitz Farrell. I'm excited. The RS caught all off their guard. Oh, great, Martin. I'm very happy for you. I'm excited. This is a list of the S&P companies by waiting. If anyone wants it. I want it. I absolutely want it. Give it to me. Open link in a new tab. I'll have that. Yes. Is that the full 500? Oh, lovely. That's brilliant. I'll take it. Right. Thank you, 22. Put that in my little list there of things to do. Marvelous. That is great. Thank you so much for that. Right, the only bank up today is HMST. Michael Anthony, good afternoon. Sweet spot right now. Yes, Apple over 7% of the S&P now. Is it? I was saying about 4%. Yeah. Let me check. I can see that right here, look. All I got to do is look there. Yes. If I just look there, look. If I just looked there, I could have told you. 7.12. Microsoft, Amazon, as you can see, it's very heavily weighted in tech. But, you know, it's a bit biased, isn't it? But, you know, the company make money, the company have cash. God's pleasure, Bonner, there he goes. Go Mullen, go, keep it up. Top Rack, yes, what's going on with Mullen? Let's have a little look then. Let's have a look. If this is the case, we need to do a Mullen update. Mullen, okay. We've got 5 minutes to go. I don't think I'm going to have time to do it. Hello, Mr. Lucas. I decided to tune in now. ETORO. Right, because of Mullen, eh? Because of Mullen. Right, we've got the after hours earnings. Mullen news. Okay. Mullen. Let me have a look. Mullen. 8 hours ago. No, I need something more up to date than that. News. Of course, the Mullen news now is me. Oh, brilliant. 4 hours ago. Mullen, 7, no, 2. Okay. Okay, here we go. Alan, we've got 5 minutes. Oh, okay. We've got 5 minutes. Let's quickly get it in. Mullen. M-U-L-N. Mullen. Okay. Production. I think we can just about do it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've just moments ago made live during our show, literally 4 minutes ago before the bell goes. Mullen is starting to pop up again. Why? What's going on? A lot of interest now in Mullen. Huge interest, actually. Now it's taken over as the top meme stock. So a lot of interest, a lot of people promoting this stock on Reddit. We're just trying to bring you the news, the facts. We're not interested in all the hype and the drama. We're just bringing you the facts as we see it. But right now, Mullen has popped up a lot from where it was this morning. It was all the way down here at minus 20% down, and we're now 6. We've swung 14%. Let's have a quick look at the news. We've only got a few moments to go before the bell goes. We've got Apple earnings tonight. Join us for that if you get a chance to watch this before it happens. Mullen stock out of gas and out of luck. What do you think? Can you believe that a automotive company car like this can be a meme? Well, let's have a quick look. 2 months ago, almost to the day, as Mullen plummeting share price slipped below 20 cents per share and showed no signs of slowing down. David Mitchery, CEO of the electric vehicle startup, told investors that while Mullen would use our best efforts to regain compliance to meet Nasdaq's requirements, that was a reverse split, for a $1 minimum bid price, things were not looking good. If Mullen stock fails to produce over $1 for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days prior to September the 5th, 2023, said Mitchery, the company will implement a reverse stock split to cure the deficiencies prior to said date. And now that time has come. On Wednesday, May the 3rd, this was yesterday, Mullen announced that it will implement a 1 for 25 reverse stock split, and then of course we know the rest. It all came crashing down today. We've got a lot of people on Reddit trying to bring the stock down. So is this the best investment you can make right now on the stock market? Are you buying the new Tesla being shorted? Remember, this is how Tesla began. It was one of the most heavily shorted stocks on the stock market. We'll come back to this later on as we're about to ring the bell, and we've got just 1 minute to go. So until then, take care of yourselves and each other. It's time to ring the bell. See you back shortly. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let me bring this in. We're going to ring the bell this afternoon. We're going to ring the bell for Sensei Crypto is sponsoring our bell this afternoon. The closing bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. You too can sponsor the closing bell. You can be at the New York Stock Exchange if you'd like to be so. You ready? Okay, here we go. Very, very exciting. Just a few moments to go now as we come into the bell. 25 seconds to go. Here we go. We've got the bell here in hand, and we're going to ring the bell for Sensei Crypto. Here it is in just 12 seconds from now. All right, here's the bell. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. Here on the markets in the studio, fantastic. Sensei Crypto sponsoring the bell this afternoon. Very, very nice indeed. The bell is now gone. We are now waiting, imminent, for Apple's earnings. We will be back in a few moments' time with Apple's earnings. So we are going to go now. You can go straight into Apple's earnings and post 22. I'm talking to you. And you can post the report. Here is Apple earnings. That's where we'll be in literally a few minutes from now. I'm going to be gone just a few minutes' time. There is Apple earnings. Join me there. Go in there now and post the score. Everyone jump over there now. I'll be back in just a few minutes' time with Apple earnings. And we're very excited about that. So let me get out of here right now. Let me roll the credits, and I'll be back in just a couple of moments' time with the Apple earnings. You don't want to miss it. It's a big night tonight on the market. See if I can get that Mullen video out before I get there. Whew. I'm glad I got a new fast computer. All right, that's it from me. Roll the credits. I think we have a bit of credit to celebrate. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. Everybody over on TikTok, bye-bye for now. See you back in a minute. Everybody on Rumble, thank you very much. And look at the subscribers. Duke Tran, Patrick, Lungnot, Matt Barr, Joe's David, Valdez, and Mike Escobar. And of course, members, we've got a returning gold member. Fantastic. See you back in a few minutes for the Apple earnings. Jump on there. It's getting very exciting. Someone just mentioned Space. Not really doing very much at the moment. Popped up a bit, fallen back down again. No major story there at all. See you back in a couple of minutes time for the Apple earnings. Until then, take care of your money, your crypto, even if it is Pepe the Frog. Take care of yourselves and each other. Be right back. Don't go away.